When I first moved from Nigeria to Italy, one thing I never expected to struggle with was cleaning products. Guys, come with me to check on some cleaning products. So back home, I already know what to use for almost everything. But here, I was seeing different kind of product that I could not even pronounce their name at first. So I was like, God, how do I even start from? It was so funny. I even made the mistake of thinking that one product could clean everything, but I was so wrong. It took me time to understand that each one has its own job, and also with the help of my husband, it was very easy for me to understand because we had some products at home, so he explained to me. And anytime I go for shopping, I do use my phone to check the ingredients, to check what the product is being used for. It wasn't easy for me at first because anytime I go for my shopping, I do spend a lot of time. I will stay there. Any product I want to buy, I have to use my, I will snap, I'll ask ChatGPT. Like I do a whole lot of things whenever I want to buy any product. You said this blue WC gel is really nice. Like it's good. It's so good because it's mixed with bleach. You're going to enjoy using it. And one thing I enjoy over here is that cleaning products over here is more cheaper compared to Nigeria. Yeah. You just have to choose because if you keep on going around, you're going to see a lot of amazing products that you don't even know which one to take. But back home, you don't have to do too much because I think our water is very friendly. It can accept any product. You can just use your soap and water and you're good to go. But here, it's not the same. You need a product that can help you with the water here because the water here is hard and it's so salty. This here is one of my best cleaning products. This Viakal. It's used to remove lime scale. It's really nice. Like, since I used it, I cannot do without it. Like, it's so good. It works like magic. It's so nice. You don't need to do too much with it. Just a little spray and you're good to go. It's really nice. The both of them are nice. So there are other products that you can use for lime scale, but I prefer that one. Just get yourself that one and you would not regret it. It's really nice. I will make a video on how to use this Viakal and you'll see how it works. It's really nice. I don't know if I'm just the only one, but it works better for me compared to other ones. But I don't use it often because I heard that you don't use it often. You use it like once in a week or twice in a week, not every day. And this Sgrassatore Candeggina. I love this a lot because if you have any stain in your bathroom, you can just spray on it and just leave it a few minutes. You're good to go. You definitely cannot use one product for everything here. Everything has what they are designed for. I don't know, but I could even say the oil stain is different. You cannot clean it except you use what is supposed to clean it, except they are still fresh. But once you allow them to dry up, my dear, you need something to clean it. You get to see a lot of amazing products. I'm telling you, they are so nice. Like, you just have to try it because one thing I came here to understand is that their water is really hard. So you need this cleaning product to help you. You really don't need them to help you to ease your cleaning. And over here, you see Candegginas, all these are bleach. You use them to clean, you use them to wash, but you just have to be careful because these ones over here are way more active than the one we use in Nigeria. Yes, they are active. So you need to be careful while using them. And I clean with them a lot. Like, I use them to clean the house whenever I want to clean. They are always nice. Living in a new country really teaches you the little things nobody talks about. If you're new in Italy, don't worry. If these products confuse you at first, we'll all learn one supermarket trip at a time. I am still learning too. So if you have any cleaning tips or products you think I should know about, please share them in the comments. I would love to learn from you. And if you're a Nigerian living in Italy or you're planning to move here, follow along because we are figuring this life out together, one lesson at a time. Thank you.